What's up, everybody? This is KJ here, and I am back for my LET Week 3 matchup. We are currently 1-1 with a +3 differential. Um, yeah, I've stopped doing team builders just on the interest of time, and let me just give you his, or the other coaches, I should not assume gender, team. So they have a hard rain team, very well built hard rain team. It's pretty much always going to bring rain. Let's just leave it at that. So uh, the team is Rillaboom, Grimmsnarl, Barraskewda, Goodra, Pelipper, Kingdra, Charizard, Jolteon, Beartic, Golduck, and Vulpix. So got some interesting tech this week to try to kind of combat that, and the no hazards to worry about on their side, and defog is also very limited on their side, so that's good. Uh, but yeah, so I'm hoping that I can kind of lay down T spikes and spread status, and then just kind of try to win the game. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so we are just about to start. I am super nervous. We'll see what happens. Ooh, no Kingdra. Kingdra, no Goodra. That's cool. Um, kind of expecting. I kind of want to just get spikes down, but at the same time, yeah, I think. What are the chances they lead Zard? If they lead Zard, I just go hard into Rotom. No Jolteon. I kind of want to lead. Actually, I think I want to lead Rotom here. No, I'm gonna stick with my planned lead of Rosary. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Well, good luck. Have fun to this person. Let me actually also say that in chat. Good luck. Have fun. Yeah. I'm bad with names, so. And I've been sort of not on Discord a bunch, so yeah. But anyway, let's see this. This is gonna be interesting. Over good match. He leads Scuda. I'm cool with this. Probably flip turns out. I'm gonna T-Spike. Ah. Like, what is this thing gonna... I'm shocked of Scuda here. I guess Rotom was a worry that they had. This thing does get Ice Fang. It just flip turns. That's fine. Oh, that's a lot of damage. It's probably banded. Need to remember that. Kind of hoping... Yep, Zard. That makes sense. We get T-Spikes up, which is good. And I think we just go into Rotom here. Ooh, doubles. Okay. Back into Scuda. That's fine. T-Spikes are up. I should have considered clicking Leaf Storm. But this is fine. Now we just go into Wartortle, I think. Because we don't want to take a liquidation from this thing. We know it's banded. And even though we're max speed def, Wartortle still takes this pretty well. The boy, Wartortle, he flip turns again. That's fine. Yeah, that's a good amount of damage. Let's see what comes in here, because we can fake out this next turn. Pelipper comes in, that's fine. We are max speed def. It's worth clicking fake out here. And we are going to get healed by this, so that's clutch. We're going to fake out. which is nice. Man, I did not think I'd be bringing War Turtle to 2 matches of the first 3. That's funny. Okay, that stalls our rain turn. I definitely stayed in. We click Protect here. To scout what he's gonna do. Probably gonna click U-turn or defog. Oh, defogs, okay. Gotcha. So what's toxic here? Defogs again, that's fine. Two spikes are gone. Ah, oh, no. Come on. That's lame. Alright, let's turn out. Yep, he clicks U-turn. That does no damage. What comes in here? Probably Scuda? Either Barrascuda or Kingdra, I'd imagine. It's gotta be one of the Rain Sweepers. Oh, it goes Grimmsnarl. Okay, I'm cool with that. I'm really cool with that. We flip turn out. Oh, that does so much damage. Is there any reason for me... I really want to go... That did so much damage. Okay. This is going to be huge damage. I should have clicked Weather Ball. That would have been clutch. But Sludge Bomb's going to be doing solid damage to this thing. I imagine this has got to be like Specs or something like that. I kind of want to go to Wigglytuff here, yeah. I'm not really, like, Wigglytuff is kind of, like, Roseraide's too important. If I clicked Weather Ball there, oh man. Specs, okay, cool. At least now we know. It's Hurricane, yep. Get lefties. Let's burn another turn of rain. Cool. We know it's Specs, so it's locked. Into Hurricane. Now the question is, does he risk? Does he risk it? I think Wigglytuff has done its job. It frisked the Charizard. Gave us very useful information. Oh, he hits it. Okay, hits the raw Hurricane. That's unfortunate, but it happens. Now we can... probably safely go into Rotom here. What's he gonna switch into? Like... he only got 5 turns of rain, I think. I should have been counting. I should have actually looked. I forgot I can do that. What comes in here? Rillaboom. Okay. Okay, so Grassy Glide is a thing. That's fine. We T-Ball. How much damage is this doing? Enough. I see no reason not to click overheat here. Rillaboom is such a threat here. The fact that he brought it in on this is surprising. He's probably trying to bait the Thunderbolt, or bait the overheat. That's fine though. I'm not too worried about that because we can always switch on Pelipper. Yep. Oh, it goes Kingdra. Oh. That's... okay. This might be the time to click Trick. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna do it. Trick the utility umbrella to Kingdra. Then we'll see what this has. Probably Specs. Life Orb, okay. Clicks flip turn. Oh, okay, nice. That still does a lot of damage. Okay. So, I hope Utility Umbrella works the way I expected it to. I should have probably tested this, but I think now we're in a solid spot. Yeah. Okay, so ring more Tortle on this every time. Flip turns. Man, this is obnoxious. It's all good though. It happens. Now Rillaboom's coming in for sure. Right? Goes Pelipper. I'm so surprised. Man, that first Toxic on Pelipper would have been great. Grassy Terrain plus Rain Dish is nice. He's gonna have to hard switch. Yeah, I got the wrong thing Toxic. I would have wanted anything other than Barraskewda Toxic, because if I get a hit on Barraskewda, it's dead. Yeah, I should have clicked Toxic. Ugh. I gotta stall out these rain turns. If he was... huh. If he was really worried about the terrain, he would have... okay, he clicked U-turn. Do I risk a Woodhammer? Do I risk it? Does he click U-turn again? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna flip turn. I'm gonna just have to hope that he's... oh, he clicks knockoff. No, that's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted at all. Oh, no. That's not good. Well, now Wartortle's not taking nearly as many hits. Okay. But he doesn't have great switch-ins to this, which is nice. Sludge Bomb's gonna be hitting something hard. Guy has to decide what he wants to take this hard. We know that he's not Life Orb anymore. Kingdra. Okay. Man, if I had a quick Leaf Storm. Hey, I got the poison. Nice. I don't know how much Kingdra is doing to Berserade without a life orb. I almost never calc in battles, but like Kingdra, if I'm Koba Berry, not Colbur, Koba. I apologize for this. I am definitely calcing. There's 22 seconds left. I'm over half. If he's modest, it does less than half. You know what? To get rid of this thing, I think it's worth it. Kingdra's super scary. Oh. Okay, cool. I'm totally okay with this. Kingdra's gone. Okay. So, that is definitely nice. Also, Zard kills Wigglytuff. Berserade kills Kingdra. Okay. Honestly, now that I don't have... What's he lock into here? He locks into Hurricane here for sure. Screw it. Let's go into War Turtle here. We stupidly lost our item there, so I think it's less bulky, significantly less bulky. Oh, he goes for Weather Ball. I forgot Charizard gets Weather Ball. Okay, whew. That's pretty clutch, actually, because now he's locked into that. We do heal back. Whatever comes in, this is fine. I think we just click Fake Out here, regardless. We get some chip. Yeah. Keep clicking Fake Out. I probably should have clicked Toxic. I don't know why I didn't. I'm just kind of antsy to get Rain gone. Ugh, I should have clicked Toxic. Toxic would have been good there. Especially, I need to start checking Rain turns. Oh, this is so dumb of me. I don't know why I'm not thinking about this. You know what? Let's do it this time. If I lose this, I lose it. He clicks U-turn. Okay, cool. That's fine. We still live it. Please go into Pelipper. Please go into Pelipper here. Pelipper, not Scuda. Not Scuda, Pelipper. Please. He goes into Pelipper here. Oh, he goes into Grimmsnarl. Okay, that's actually fine. We get a Toxic off on this thing, hopefully. Okay, we get the Toxic. Cool. Which is nice. Yeah, and because it's a straight-up Toxic, it is going to be compounding the damage, which is nice. Let's flip turn out. We still have value for this as a sack. Probably going to click Reflect or Light Screen. Spirit, he just goes hard Spirit Break. Okay, cool. That's fine. Alright, so we lose War Turtle. But... Oh, he's Life Orb. Okay. So he's offensive. Huh. Same question every time. What wants to switch into this? Not much. And I get terrain. I get terrain healing, yes. Yeah, the healing from the terrain is nice. Click Sludge Bomb. It's been a really good game. Very good player. Holy crap. This is awesome. Also, Grim kills War Turtle with Oh. Was not expecting a rest talk set, potentially. Wait, is that... Did I miss something? Oh, it's, that's right, it's Prankster. I was like, why did that go first? Yeah, I'm dumb. Ooh. Okay, we're risking it. We are risking it here if he's Sleep Talk. Yep. Please not something that can hit me super effectively. Oh, Bulk Up. Okay, cool. This thing's gone. Okay, that's a cool set, though. That's a really cool set. Yeah, I was not expecting Rest, Sleep, Talk, Bulk Up, Spirit Break. So, Roserade. This thing is so good. Man, I love Roserade. Roserade's such a cool mon. It's a mon that I wanted to use in draft for a while and just never got the opportunity. I do need to start paying attention to your time. I think here he's got to go for the Raw Fire move, right? Yeah, if this man clicks Hurricane and, like, that's fine. Yep. Zard, he goes into Pelipper. Okay, cool. Does he let Pelipper go down here, is the question. His Thunderbolt switch-ins are... Yeah, let's just go for it. Yep. He loves to pivot around. He goes into Rillaboom. A Para would be really nice. I hate to wish for that, but a Para would be nice. Also, if he's... I wish I knew if he was AV. This is another thing I wish I could calc. Ugh, I'm late for it now, though. Go for it. I'm late for it now. Screw it. I'm gonna go for it. Why not? Overheat. In the rain. Does not kill. That's unfortunate. It's all good. It is all good. We've taken this knockoff and it's gonna hurt. Wow. Does he let Rillaboom go down here? No, he's probably gonna Grassy Glide. You know what? Let's predict the Grassy Glide. Let's see the Grassy Glide. And let's see if I made the right switch. Yep, cool. That's not gonna do a ton. Yep. Yeah, Zard's in range where Sludge Bomb's gonna kill. I think he lets Rillaboom go down here. He just glides again. I think that's the right call for him. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Man, Roserade picking up 3 kills. With Sludge Bomb. All with Sludge Bomb. Having Hatterene in the back is nice. I think we... What's left? What mons are left? He's got Pelipper, Scuda, and Charizard. You know what? I'm gonna keep. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get. Really, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get a Pain Split off, especially because everything left threatens Rotom with where it's at. So, unfortunately, I have to let Rotom go here. He clicks Hurricane. That's fine. At this point, I think I have to go Hatterene and get a Trick Room off. Zard kills Rotom with Hurricane. Man, Zard has been such a pain in my neck. Let's Trick Room here. He's just gonna spam Hurricane, that's fine. Oh, that's Specs, I forgot. We got the lefties, recovery. This Psychic is gonna hurt him quite a bit. Okay, Psychic does pick up the kill. Kills Zard with Psychic. No more rain. Does that mean Pelipper's coming in here? Can I afford to get a Calm lined up is where I'm at, from where I'm at? That's the real question. Like, this has been a really intense match. He goes Scuda. Oh man, okay. Hatterene at 50. Barraskewda. Just think this. It does get Jet. But where. Oh man, this is a roll. I think I've got to go for it. Actually, is Draining Kiss more worth it? Psychic. What is Psychic doing? Yeah, I gotta go Psychic here. If he's Jet, that's fine. Oh, he's not Jet. Oh, wow. Barraskewda just dies. Nice. Nice. I think we're going to win this game. Because now I just Pelipper. Yeah, I mean, just click Psychic, and then I think Urshifu wins this. I get Scalded, that's fine. So, Pelipper kills Hat with Scald. And actually, is Trick Room up? I don't know if it is. So I'm gonna go Rose right here. I don't remember if Trick Room is up here. It might be. I should have checked that before. Info. There's still a turn of Trick Room. Okay, cool. I made the right call. I just Leaf Storm here. This thing's gonna kill me with Hurricane. Oh, it's locked into Scald? Okay. I think Leaf Storm just picks up the kill. Yeah. I think it's going to. Nice. And so Roserade kills Pelipper with Leaf Storm. GG. That was a very good game. I mean, Hatterene Centric Room was pretty huge. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap the video up. Yeah, we're gonna go to 2-1 with a +5 now, so very excited. All right, I will catch you for the next video. All right, peace.